Today we're going to recap the monitor on the Space Invaders cabinet. It has a weird issue that after it's on for a while, the monitor loses its vertical hold and it just starts slowly rotating. So we're going to recap it and that will probably fix the issue. They really did not give much room to work on this thing, but we have to be very careful because this is a black and white TV and finding replacement parts for a black and white TV, very, very difficult. If you want to see how this is removed, you have to check out the long form, but it's not the most user-friendly. Now we need to actually unbolt this from this board, and we can get this chassis to the rebuild station. It's actually not quite as messy down here as I was expecting. Fairly clean. Well, this is the part where people get mad, but let's let this run for a little while. That looks a million times better. There we go. That's looking much better. The wire came off, but apparently it just kind of twists in. Our cap kit, this is definitely one of the smallest cap kits I've ever installed on a monitor. Look at that. That is looking absolutely beautiful. Now, we start to recap it and actually do the thing we pulled it out to do. The cap kit did actually replace that one. Now it's time to slap the motherboard back in this and put this back in the cabinet. It is fully reinstalled. Now we get to plug this thing in and see if it explodes. There we go. The monitor is working. Unfortunately, it takes a long time before it'll actually start to lose vertical hold. And it took like hours and it has to be quite warm, which unfortunately I'm not going to sit and wait to find out. But it's may not be fixed, but it's different, but it's probably fixed.